Okay, Balito, Willards Beach, Zimbali. Okay, from there, by those red roofs, that's the beginning of Zimbali. So angithi angibona ukuthi ngifika kanjani. Alright, that's me. The houses which flank the beachfront, the elevation is crazy, papa. This is not the beach for elderly ladies. Alright. Okay, bakata kufika laba, so I'm basically gonna be walking up and just notice ukuthi kunjani video rise around the corner, because I'm sure that's where those famous buildings are located. So sizohamba la ku-promenade quickly and then we go back to Durban. Alright, we're going back to Durban. Okay, and so Willards Beach, they're swimming. Okay, this is Shonale Sunday. Look. Uyasekude kanje lamabhilidi, Jesus Christ. Angikho seduza. Angikho seduza. Abengicabanga ukuthi kula eduze. Ha. So the buildings that I'm looking for are not here. Jeez, they are further. Nah, they look color la pelvela kwa. Hey, let's try because I need to see those ones. Yo. So umuntu ukuyi southern side. Phela angiboni lutho mangela. Angiboni lutho. Jeez, I'm fine. I'm far. Let's rush because I need to see those buildings around the corner there, because that's the view which will also show you towards the Shaga's Rock. Nawonke la amanye futhi amalwandle noma izilwandle. Yabona onto la. So nice place. Lovely. Yinhle ne promenade la. It's beautiful. But ulwandle lakhona hayi akusilo lolu olubhukuteka kahle, because ligcwele ilento amatshe kusematsheni la. Athi Mhlanga Rocks ubhukuteka kangcono la kusematsheni ngempela la. Not very easy to see. It's I'm coming from around the corner there. It's a beautiful spot. And then now Sakobega for picnicking and them. It's very lovely to swim. Thanks God the promenade continues all the way, because I've got to go to that corner. That's where the okay. So abantu bapaka ngala most. Alright. So ila ukuthi ukube bengehlele ngapha ngezansi lapho okune i-ambulance ekade iza ngakhona bengizolentuza bengizokwehlela la so na amanye amalentuza ama-restaurant abheke olwandle. Okay, nayo olwandle olubhukudayo nama-flag lapha phambili. Alright, so la ekade ehleli khona it's really most suitable for people who can swim but still mind the rocks. Okay, mind the rocks. Kuhle. Devon is a very beautiful, or rather KwaZulu Natal is very beautiful, and all these places to relax, to sit. Right. Sure. Into bengizibuza ukuthi khona nansi khona amashawa la. Behlezi ngizibuza ukuthi akhona yini amashawa la akhona. Alright, asiqhubeke shone ngale. Le kuthiwa yini Clark Bay, Ballito, North Coast. North Coast, yes. We are on the south side of Ballito. And then this promenade is lovely to walk. It's wooden. Yeah, it's fine. Well designed. Okay, look at the Sandpiper Bay. Alright, Sandpiper Bay. We're coming from this angle. That is obviously the busier side. Khathi befika futhi bezo braya and everything, you know. It's nice. I think they should go to the other side because yona ngibone ngathi is suitable for braya. You can walk your dogs and the likes. Okay, so okay, khona ney'mpendulo esengiyithola because bengizibuza ukuthi benze njani-ke labantu abakulama flat ngoba kungathi mhlampe ilento like abheke ngqo olwandle. Manje ngiyibuza ukuthi abantu abadlula la kule promenade benze njani pho. Okay, seyabonakala ama-YouTube operator kanjani. Okay, lovely. Ama-life guard. Okay, we continue, carry on. Nalu ulwandle ufuze babhukude kulona. Zabe lapha emadwaleni la esuka khona benza ubungozi. Yakade sememeza nje la sisi leya amaqinasi wabo. Ade sememeza phela amanzi la ayadonsa. Ohlala kamnandi kanjani izenze picnic yethu futhi weather nje ilanga lingathosani nje namhlanje. Look at this. Look at these views. Look at these views. Look at these views. Look at these views. Khona ngiyashesha yes. Asuka lapha kule building le grey lapha egcine. So alright, it's a lovely area that, and then this area la now is lovely, and then we carry on. Ufuna la mabhilidi lawa ya amakhulu abonakalayo uma beveza iBallito. iBallito angaze nginaka kangawo bazalwane, so amagama awo amabhilidi nani angizange ngiwanake. Nginenkinga nje ukuthi indawo esuke iphashele wonke umuntu ngivele nje mina ngibe semuva ngingayijwayeli kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi ngiyijwayele. So we saw around that corner there we see Zimbali, and then now we're going around this corner ahead. I was trying to give that white couple a distance between ourselves because remember a Zulu male is profiled as a thug in South Africa, in KwaZulu Natal. Safe guys are black foreigners and every other immigrant, white, Indian, black foreigners. They are all safe, good people, innocent victims in the state of affairs. So manje ke mangiwu-natural sigebengu kezweni lakithi esalithathelwa ke abantu abalungileyo, fanele ngizame uku-maintainer i-distance ukuze ke kungabi nomuntu oskrimayo, because uma engaskrima kanye noma ngingenzanga lutho shuthi phela-ke bese ngibagebenga, ngithi bisho njalo, and then bazofuna ukuyi-justifya kube ngathi iqiniso kade beqamba amanga, angithi? So okay, I now understand. Ngisazoqhubeka ngisingale phambili, angingafiki indawo babasa, angingafiki indawo esaqhubeka. Even around this corner I am still nowhere close to where I'm trying to get to. Dearest Lord, so how many corners am I gonna have to go around in order to reach the area? Mhlawumbe sibuyela kule nto le lo mfulo ade athi ngihambe ngale ndlela, maybe mhlawumbe ibuyela kulokho ukuthi I was supposed to take that path instead. So nansi yaqhubeka bese ngiyabona ukuthi lamaplango la le promenade bayenze kanjani, because I always wondered what happens to these frontline apartments like this, because it looked like akho fence back then, and then kusho ukuthi manje ngizibuza ukuthi abantu bayadlula nje la, kusho ukuthi iphephe ngaleyo ndlela ibhalido ngaphela manje ngiyabona ukuthi la kune-promenade but angiqondi ukuthi hamba kanjani. Bekunje ngithi yabo njengala bona laba bafakanga ilentuza ini ucingo. So yes, that's how all of them were. So bebephumela nje ngqo elentuza kuphi olwandle, sima bafakile manje laba abanye. That's how it was. I could see which is like that. I was like, hey, I should kuphephile ke phela la. If bengazange babe greedy, ba create a situation la ukuthi ba demand khona ukuthi like si depend kubona, babefice abantu abamnyama abalungileyo who basically wouldn't steal izinto zabantu ngaleso sikhathi, kwaba yibona aba create a situation ye shortage engenasidingo just to control. Manje ke leyo shortage ikhande indlala, and therefore abantu sebezigebengu. And how are they innocent? They're not innocent. They created the situation. We must all be accountable. If you are owning the economy and it is starving certain other people, you need to accept and acknowledge what your economy has done to other people or to other races. Akude abafresh khathi ngiyazi phela mina ibhalido, so khathi ngizama ukuqonda nokuhlukanisa ukuthi ini kuphi. Wow, so la ebengihleli kwami ngicabanga ukuthi just around that corner sufika kula mabhilidi kanti lutho angibuzanga elangeni. Okay, let's pause. Exactly. So my imagination was not incorrect. They had direct front access to the beach. Say before kuba nale promenade, or I think this promenade was added later. I don't know. But you see, that's how it was. Okay. Tontiki. Look at this. Hey. La around I hope low around the corner is the around the corner that I was referring to. Kunini ngisho around the corner. Ake kube around the corner the actual. Ngiyahlaleka kamnandi la. uphume nje apartment yakho uyihlale la ebhentsini ngisho nasebusuku because look at this. Hey, Tontiki, look at that. This is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. So uyahlala kamnandi kulama bench, urelaxe, uhlala la mhlambe kwakho, yabo, uphume, uhlala ebhentsini, nalo ulwandle ezantsi, and then ingene emanzini mhlambe and ujabule. This is beautiful, papa. Hey, Yawana, this around the corner, that's it's got to be these buildings. It's got to be where they're starting. Hey, guys, so where you seeing that crane? That's where I'm at. Hey, this is just too beautiful. Okay. Sekusho phela mina ngoba phela ngiyazi ukuthi ngiya-hard worker elikwenze konke, so ngithi angifuni ukulekelelwa ke amavila ekhala because masithi siyakhala kuvele nje kuqhamuke lamavila angazami lutho and these cowards kukhale bona kakhulu. Thina ke singasezwa kahle, thina who've labored hard and done everything there is to do and still didn't see success. Doesn't mean when you work hard or if you've got all the faith or which you can actually be rich or successful or prosperous in terms of finances. It depends, it's up to God if He blesses you, all right, or if your people are blessed. Okay, I'm already seeing from this angle, I'm already seeing the places I wanted to see. Because that other mountain there, that's Sheffield. I can see the apartment block which is going down, which is by the beach side. That's where the house that I also love is located. I think the elevations there are crazier than these elevations that we're looking at. Check these rocks. Umhlanga Rocks is better. Ballito. Okay, Ballito was supposed to be named Mhlanga Ballito Rocks. Hi, God.
Those are clearly local.
Alright, ngenxa le promenade ke sengiyavuma ukuthi amakhehlane ezalikazi angaba khona kule ndawo because the promenade allows that because you can walk easily, i-elevation right akho umqansa eshayayo uhamba kahle nje kamnandi. So here are these, I'm going past these famous flats zala eBallito. I'm seeing those houses I wanted to see. Nah, they yellow lapha phambili lapha ehla khona. Finally. This is the around the corner that I was looking for. Okay, you can see these buildings properly. They're quite big. Oh makoti, ubani oshadile noshadayo. Okay, yeah, this is a beautiful one. Just a big uhlanja. Wow. This is beautiful. Okay. So ngiyabona iSheffield Beach la okwehla lapha entabeni okumhlophe iyona Shaka's Rock, iShaka's Rock. Mangabe khona ama-taxi ngale angeke ngisabuyela ngithi emuva. Angeke ngisabuyela emuva uma ama-taxi ekhona ngala. Let's see. I hope they are. Otherwise yes, it's fine. I can still walk back. And then to ama-taxi ngizowathola kuphi. I'll check that building here. So it's a huge one. Alright. And all these places of relaxations, the benches, and then this place is beautiful. Ooh. And the Ballito Sands, that's the other famous one. Alright. Guys, when you're going to where you stay. Alright. And this is very beautiful. This is very, very beautiful. Indlela into eyenzekala. Osha. Nabo gogo ke bangeza ke sengaba lethe. Sengiyabona ukuthi it's just this step and then we are already at the beach. Hey. Alright, we go. We go. Khombisa le mizi le yehla lapha. Oh no, check. Check what I'm going past. Okay. Can you see? I'm in Palito. Okay, abafostayo ke ugqama ngezilimi bazothi Palito. Okay, fine. Use Palito. So bayeka ke Palito. Alright, Palito. Bounce now. Okay, lezi zindlu le eyelo evelayo lapha it was for sale. Ah, nayi Lamontan. There's Lamontan. Yeehaw, finally. Hey. Yeehaw, look at that. Right. Okay, kuyabhudwa nangale angethemba ukuthi amateksi akhona lapha angingasabuyeli emuva. I don't want to walk back. Let's vote. Hayi bayikhanda le promenade. Sengikhululekile ngezalukazi. Ezibuza ukuthi izalukazi zami zizokwenza njani mangiziletha kulezi ndawo. Going to focus me on all the elderly people. Ngikhohlwe ilabantu laba abaziphothayo. Ngazi ukuthi abantu bachoma baxhonyiswa izindlu ngazi ukuthi wenzakalani yazi. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi abantu okay. Ngine-flat eThekwini ngicela nilibhukhe nilale kulona. And then uvuselwa ukuthi uphantelwa umsebenzi thizeni. And then wakhohlwa ukusubmita i-CV. Then now that is the excuse. Okay, it's fine. Mina I actually was trying to be in business and angaze nganqaba umsebenzi. And then angeke ukukhohlwa kwami ngaleso sikhathi kubeke manje justification yakho konke kube ngathi because ngikhohlwe kulokhu into ebengihlezi ngiyenza. Cha. Ayifuna umsebenzi bazalwane. Nayi Lamontan yiyo le sesiqala sesiqala yona la Physis. Wow, nice place. Higher tropical umbrellas. Okay, nice place. Lamontan nayi Lamontan yiyo ke futhi naye ngidida ukuthi benze njani pho. Look at this place. Look at this place, Lamontan. Just look at this place. They must give them more benches. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't this lovely? Hey, now go chair. Bench there. They must have more benches. So near book and la, and then you've got the beach frontage. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, tell me about it. I was second floor now. Hey, I would share. These places are nice. Yes, look. Me, I would share. I tell you what. Small heaven, guys. Dearest Lord. Yo, kuhle. Kuhle. Umkhukhu loyana angazi kwenzakala ngalo umkhukhu. But this, hey, Lamontan. Nanso ke lezi ndaba ngifuna ukuziveza. Yey. Valid. And then yavele yabaseduze ke manje iLentuza, iShaka's Rock because lapha esibheke phambili khona sikuse Shaka's Rock lapha. Okay, I'm learning. Yeah, this is the better beach to swim. The other sides have got too many rocks. Now this is most suitable from what I'm seeing. Ngale is too much rocks. Nayo indawo enesikhala nje sibonakalayo sokubhukuda. Hayi isikhathi sesingishayile ukufaka umlenze emanzini ngathi into engeke isenzeka. Okay. Enye indawo la. That's seemingly the main beach. Twa Palito Mena. Alright. Palito Mena. I hope we can go around. I don't know which was one more. Okay, yeah, it continues. Now babag. Hala. I think yaphelela la. I think yaphelela la. Okay, this is where the promenade comes to an end at this point. Alright, asimele lapha ngasolwandle and complete this basically this walk, and then ngizongena lapha esihlabathini. No bother wakhe. I'm not going further. Let's go here. Alright. Yeah, I got Puguta Angala. Alright. That's the main beach. Okay, I've already taken something like 28 minutes. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to walk back. Alright, these houses are right here. No, it was selling for something like around 12 million, I think. It's all the cluster. And then Shaka's Rock. So basically, if I had all the time, it means being a figure another Shaka's Rock, which is basically those white apartments at the corner, which are appearing at the top. They are huge. They go around the corner, and then you're seeing all the way to Sheffield Beach, and then further up you see where they are building Club Med is further up. Okay, we are in KwaDukuza. All right, we are in KwaDukuza. Okay. So we're walking back. So besides Tabati to walk back. Alright, I've seen Palito. I'm blessed with the wealth of Palitoians. Alright, thank you. Oh, greater. Nice Sheffield. I'm off. Okay, I'm higher than Sheffield Beach and wealth itself. Alright. What's my level of wealth rate? It's the Hamptons. The Hamptons. They've got my level of wealth, and many mansions in the USA. They've got my level of wealth. I'm that level, guys. I'm The Western Cape does have mansions which are of my level, and then also I see some of them in Sandhurst, but they say their yards are much smaller. So I've got to have a large yard and a large mansion. Alright, so therefore Kisney Manor, yeah, we're starting to talk about me there, etc, etc. Okay, or that Hewlett's house, which is up there in Morningside in Devon, that's me, that's my level. It's just that sebalinciphisa igceke lapho laba lincane nakho yabona nto leyo, but that's my level basically. Alright, this water seems to be coming from that pipe which is there and then goes all the way to the sea here. It's not necessarily a river. Ngizofaka amanzi nje bese, but yeah, I'm not swimming. I'm going back home. I stay in Devon, guys. Alright.